How to make New Year's Eve prop glasses with Cricut. Step 1. Upload your glass design on Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Click on Offset to increase the size of the black borders, select your desired distance, and click on Apply. Step 3. Select the design and click on Duplicate. Step 4. Select the duplicated design, click on Flip, then select Flip horizontally. Step 5. Click on Make It. Step 6. Select Without Matte in the load type if using a smart material. Step 7. Click on Continue. Step 8. Choose your base material. Step 9. Load the cardstock in the Cricut machine, then press the Load button. Step 10. Once the Go button starts to flash, then press it. Step 11. Cut out the frame part of the glasses. Step 12. Weed out the frame part, then pasted it up on the back part. Step 13. Weed out the back part. Step 14. Take a wooden dowel and stick it on the frame. Step 15. Weed out the other glass part and stick it on the other side of the glass. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.